I'm making keyboards live on stream. This is a keyboard I made from scratch. I designed the PCB, created a 3D model for the case, soldered all the components and wrote the code. Making a keyboard is a fun challenge that lets you experience a bunch of crafty skills. It can be challenging at times, but it's very rewarding when you can blow the minds of your colleagues at work. This is a split wireless column staggered keyboard that I use daily. So far I've made more than 5 unique PCB designs, and I'm still learning new things. Electronics, components, features about the firmware. I'm already able to guide others in making their own keyboards, but there's still more to learn. Let me know what you want to learn about making your own keyboard.